Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you my very first order from Hillbilly Scrappin. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. For the last day of the Australian financial year, Hillbilly Scrappin had a 40% off sale on her website. And a little birdie let me know, so I went shopping. To be honest, I haven't done much shopping this year, but 40% off was too good of a deal to pass up. I tried to be very good and I didn't buy a super lot, but I did buy a few things. I'm going to start with these two magical markers. I was too lazy to go and see what colours I had, but I knew I didn't have blue, so I got Bavarian blue and Guten Tag teal, just because I love that colour range, to go with the magical markers that I already have. I also got a couple of the different Couture Creations alcohol inks to try. I got Cardinal glitter accents, and in the metallic alloy I got ice blue and lavender, just to try them out and see what they were like. From Prima I got electric violet metallic wax, mint sparkle metallic wax, and opal magic yellow blue, because I knew I didn't have that one. There were a couple of other colours that she had that I didn't get either, just because I was trying to be good. Anyways, I thought we'd have a quick look at these colours. When you buy the tube, you need to pierce the top. And I'm just going to put a tiny amount out. It looks more blue than violet to me. It looks violet on my finger. It might be because I have it on a cream background. You can see in this mint sparkle some of the wax is separated. That's quite normal. Mint sparkle, oh, that's a very pretty colour. It has a gold shift underneath. That's what they look like on my fingers. You can see the gold in the mint sparkle, and you can see it in the jar as well. I'm not going to open this one up till I'm ready to use it. I don't want it to dry out. I got 2 sets of the Rust Effect paste. I got Junkyard Treasures. I'm not sure what this one is called. I think it's just the Rust Effect paste, the original, and then this is the Junkyard Treasure one. I got this one because it had the pretty purple and blue, and then this one to make rusty effects. Then I got the Texture Effect paste in anemone and coral. I'll pull them out so we can see what colours are in it. In this one there is blue green, fire orange, and taupe rose. So that was the anemone and coral. In the Junkyard Treasures there is royal blue, lavender, and burnt sienna. And in the rust there is gold rust, red rust, and brown rust. I think I may already have one of these, but I'm not sure, and I can't remember what colour combination it is. Hopefully it's the one with the Patina colours in it. And then finally I also got the Patina Effect paste, and this one has mint green, blue, and brass. So the brass is a metallic and the other two are not. Next I got some dark root door stamps. I try to be very mindful of what stamps I buy now and buy ones that I know I'm going to use, or that are not the same as ones that I have. First one is Get Well, and it has Get Well, wishing you better days ahead, thinking of you, wishing you well, hope you feel better soon. You are one tough cookie, sending healing hugs, wishing you a speedy recovery, get well soon, sorry to hear you're under the weather. I like this one because it had a combination of stamps you could use on the front of a card and inside a card. Don't have a lot of good sentiments for the inside of Get Well cards, so that's going to come in very handy. This one is Baby. I don't have a lot of baby sentiments, so I thought I would grab this just for a little bit of variety. Hello Baby. Bundle of joy, congratulations, welcome to the world, sweet little one, adorable, baby boy, new arrival, sweet, baby girl, so happy for you, delightful, pitter patter. And I got Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Thankful for you. You're fantastic. Superhero. You're so great. Happy Mother's Day. World's greatest mother. Best mum ever. Mother's Day wishes. You're tops. Love you. Super mum. Thanks for everything. I look up to you. And then Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. You're so great. Best dad ever. Superhero. I look up to you. Rad dad. You're tops. Happy Father's Day. You inspire me. Super dad. World's greatest father. You're the man. You're fantastic. Top bloke. And so even though there's a couple of sentiments that are the same, they have different fonts. I Look Up To You is in a more scripty font and a plain font here. Your Tops I saw here, so that's a bigger Your Tops. I thought they would come in handy with a few extra sentiments. And then finally onto probably the biggest part of my purchase apart from the Prima, and that would be Ranger. I got these 2 packets of the archival distress ink. I have the black and browns already. I think that was kit 1, and this is, oh no, I have kit 3, I think. This is kit 1, this is kit 2, and I have kit 3 already. Kit 1 is picked raspberry, barn door, spice marmalade, and fossilized amber. 2 is peeled paint, mermaid lagoon, faded jeans, and dusty concord. I also got the Distress Archival Rinkers. I got Vintage Photo, which I didn't realise I already had one of, so now I have 2. Fossilized Amber, Ground Espresso, Dusty Concord, Picked Raspberry, Barn Door, Spiced Marmalades, and Peeled Paint. And I already have the Black Soot too, I believe. I think I need 3 more re-inkers and then I'll have the complete set. I got a new jar of matte medium. I have a lot of gloss medium, but I like to use matte medium when I'm working on a lot of my paper projects. I bought the number 16 Distress Ink Kit with all the new colours in it. The only one I don't think I have any of is the Rustic Wilderness, so that'll give me a chance to try that out and see if I like it. I wasn't able to get the large Distress Ink Pad or the Oxide, but I was able to get the re-inkers. I also got the re-inkers from Salvaged Patina, and I got both the ink pads for Salvaged Patina, which is an absolutely gorgeous colour. Just going to show you my daughter's birthday card, and this panel here is done with the Salvaged Patina. It makes a really pretty sky colour if you want to use something other than a blue. And also some of these little banners, and there is also Salvaged Patina on the Happy Birthday. Stamps on this are from Lawn Fawn. I've grabbed a stamp and I thought we could have a look at what some of these colours look like. Some of them are new to me. I'm going to start with the Distress Ink ones because they're easiest to clean off the stamp. And I'm just going to ink up a small portion of these rays so we can have a look. That's Speckled Egg. Then I'm going to try the Kitsch Flamingo. Wow, that's come out a lot more fluoro on that. Maybe it's because it's on cream card. I'm just going to grab a card base and try this again because I wasn't expecting that. So I'm going to try the Speckled Egg on here. Kitsch Flamingo. Wow. Still was not expecting that. I've been seeing the Oxide, I guess, a lot more, and it does not look that bright. Wow. I really wasn't expecting a super bright pink like that. I have to wait and see what it looks like when it dries. Next, I'm going to try the Salvaged Patina. Love that colour, it's so pretty. Might actually do the Oxide as well, just because it's going to be even lighter. Let's see what this looks like on the yellow. Then I've got the Rustic Wilderness. Interesting green, but I'm not sure I need that one in the big pad. That's why I resisted buying that one so far. And the Crackling Campfire. Now, I think I have that in a large pad, and it's a lot more oranger than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting to be quite as orange as it is. Next, I will grab Kit 1. I already have a lot of archival ink pads, but I think some of these will slot in nicely into gaps. It has dried back a fair bit. It's not quite as fluoro as when it first went out. And there is something wrong with my crystallized amber pad. It is crystallized. Spice Marmalade is a little crystallized. Let's see if it affects the stamping. I think it looks alright when it's stamped down. Might end up wiping over the top of that one and then re-inking it just to get rid of the crystallization. It might be because it's just been sitting on the shelf for a while, or it was in the factory for a while before it was sent out. Who knows? Spiced Marmalade, Picked Raspberry, and Barn Door. Lastly, we're going to look at Kit 2, starting with Peeled Paint, Mermaid Lagoon. Love Mermaid Lagoon as a colour. I'm just going to stick these down the bottom. Faded Jeans. And lastly, Dusty Concord. I really love Wilted Violet. Make a nice archival, I think. There's a couple of colours that I'd really like to be archival colours that aren't. And that's the Dusty Concord, and wow, that's more eggplant than normal, at least on this cardstock. That's something to bear in mind. Different cardstocks will give different results. You can see the Kitsch Flamingo on the cream is very fluorescent, whereas on this cardstock it's gone back to a more normal pink colour rather than the fluoro-y colour. That's the oxide on both. And you can really see it with the green, how vibrant the green looks on this cream background as opposed to on the white background. I actually prefer it on the yellow background. One thing I will say is my very first lot of darkroom door stamps that I got did not have the backing on it. Come with the backing on them now, the cling back, so that makes them easier to use. I will still need to cut them all apart, but that's not a drama, or you could stamp them all together and then cut them into strips. Thank you for watching my first Hillbilly Scrapping haul. I will put a link to Hillbilly Scrapping shop down below. I wanted so much more stuff. I think I had over $500 in my cart, and after the discount, I culled and culled because that was just too much to spend. And there were things I forgot to even look for, which I realised a couple of days later on the website, and I was kicking myself for, but that's okay. There'll be other sales. I will get the things I want or need at another time. I really didn't want to go overboard. I hope you enjoyed my haul from Hillbilly Scrapping. Let me know below your favourite item from my haul. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more videos like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Thank you all for watching. See you all next time. Bye for now.